Alright, this is going to be my first little bit longer video that I'm going to put up for you guys on YouTube. And this is my O litter. This is my first time through that, or my third time through the alphabet. So this is Mama Ophelia. I usually name through the alphabet with my mamas that come to me pregnant, since I don't know how many boys or girls. I can just use the letters. Hi. So this little one is Ollie. And over here is Oakley. And little Opie. You can tell the difference with Opie because he has white. And Ollie is all orange. They are they're 2 weeks old right now, almost 3 weeks, a couple more days. They're starting to move around. We just changed out their bedding and get these pads are really helpful, and just picking those up and putting in a new one and new blankies. Mama Ophelia is hungry. Just let you see this little dude. Hello, buddy. You so sleepy? They all just kind of explored, so I think they're and so you can see how his little ears are still forward. Yeah, the little ears are still forward. Hi. Hi, Holly. There we go. Tiny Oakley. She's so cute. Hey, buddy. And he's fluffy. You're fluffy. They're funny because they're still in the hissing phase. You hiss at me because I smell different? Hi, buddy. Oh, there he goes. Hi, buddy. Hi. My pregnant and nursing mamas eat a lot typically. We give them bowls of food, wet food like that, 3 to 4 times a day, and always keep their dry food full. It takes a lot to grow the babies and feed them, so. Hi, cutie pie. Oh my goodness, look at you. Hi, buddy. It's cute because somehow Oakley always seems to end up in the middle of her brothers. A little Oakley sandwich. Can't get comfortable, buddy? Cute Opie. Oh, just check your babies, Mama. Oh, they hear you, Mama. Oh, so sweet. Oh. Oh, so cute. So cute. Helping them potty. So when they're this little, mamas help them potty. So she's cleaning and licking and helping them potty right now. Little Opie. And little Oakley says, Mama, lay down so I can get some milk. Yeah. And about 4 weeks old is when they start to learn to go on their own. So tiny, and they already using litter boxes. That's the hope. They're pretty good about it, though. Mm-mm. Oh my goodness. Hi, Mama. You pretty girl.